Hello everybody, it's Jamie. So today we are adding money into our savings challenges. My cute little binder here. Of course you can see in January, this is what I put in my 100 envelope challenge. And then on Saturday we put in 30, and today we are putting in, and the reason why this 5 is down here on the bottom is because somebody drawed something on here that's not so nice. So we are adding 5, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, $22 today into this challenge here. Sorry if you can hear the TV in the background. I'm going to try to talk over it because I don't want to get demonetized or not be able to have it monetized. So of course you can see there's the 100 envelope challenge. There is the 52-week roller dice. So these two are finished. I'm going to put these back here in the finished column, and we are done with those. So let's see what we're going to do today, guys. Go here. This first one is going to get 10. So I'm taking the 2 5s, and we are going to color in a 10 also. Sorry if you can hear Maddie in the background. He's in there playing. So now this one has got 20. This will go towards a debt. I will probably shoot it towards the medical and get that, my hospital bill, paid off. It's what my insurance didn't cover, which my insurance does not cover anything. Farmer's Market. This one is a roll and save, and I'm going to be using this one to buy seeds and plants for my garden coming up in the spring. So I'm going to take this little dice, and the first one is going to be a 2. So we will put a 2 there. 1 and 2. And then the next one is going to be medical, and I am going to roll a 5 for that one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And I will color in a 5 here. Once I get one of these little blocks done, then I will take the money out of that block and send it to the hospital for the bill. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 in it. I'm going to check and see the next one. I'm not going to start that one, and I'm not going to start that one. Let's see what we got left. One, 2, 3, 4, 5. We got 5, so I'm just going to color in a 5. So that's it for today. Short little video, but you know, $1 here and $1 there will add up. So there's 10, 15, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. $25 into this one. So remember, everybody, to always wear a smile, because your smile can make somebody's day. And thank you so much for continuing my journey, watching me save money to get out of debt. And I will catch you guys in the next one. Bye, everybody.